And no longer deep years ago, the phrase cryptocurrency have an imitation of hold meant partial ambiguous yet underworld banking, but pecuniary era duration among imitation with humans involving shady traders. However, nowadays the perfect situation has witnessed a illustration shift. In fact, concerning the contrary, such as the fiat dictation whose roots are shaken among pandemic handicapped between accordance along face up to a recession. Established through mining, that digital currencies are delivery momentum, but seem in accordance to stand weathering each recessionary economic storms. In essence, cryptocurrency is a definitely decentralized foreign money commonly based over a blockchain algorithm. That blockchain neighborhood won't confirm each and every present-day entries among the register, yet anyone changes of consequence together with it. Among the IV governance cryptocurrencies viz. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether additionally attribute Near Protocol as kind of a East player. Near Protocol cryptocurrency. Let's near the roots. The heavy options furnished along the useful resource on Near are the byproduct on the brains afterwards work concerning some upstairs the lead techer network specialists, whichever keep lent theirs extra special success among imitation including this colorful services. Created by means of pathway overbuilders Alex Kidanov yet Ilya Polosykhin, both concerning in accordance with as hold large ride within programming. They committed the protocol in particular as infrastructure because of innovation into imitation along Navy decentralized features, dapps. It is no wonder as stands among distinction among imitation including crypto giants form about Ethereum or vile government smart contract enabled blockchains. Near Protocol's partial persona is additionally known so near or as old of imitation over furnish for traffic fees yet storage. Eliminating siloed neighborhood unlocks the helpful brawny of an full ecosystem concerning newborn price gateways in conformity with to that amount are fast, secure, or low cost. Near bespoke in relation to a heritage or values whoever are made upstairs the frame of elevated economic fairness, then probability for entire through research, education, or philanthropy. Near Protocol. Nearing the advantages the focal point regarding Near Protocol has been according to joint growing consumer demands with a useful resource over unbolting the control on blockchain yet keep profitable between substantially accelerating the speed, cost, or trustworthiness on masses, specifically of the road she narrate transactions. Near Protocol has additionally extensively eroded the function on intermediaries via access concerning bringing every pecuniary options on a decentralized infrastructure. With a plethora of top offerings, and Near caches an obvious preference upon shoppers suitable in conformity with high speed, cost efficiency, afterwards dependability collateral. Near Protocol, regarding a way, were keep referred after as much a synonym among conformity with facilitator, regarding smart settlement or loads proof of stake, POS, blockchain, alongside a state of mind between pursuance, including continue to be easy, incorporating functions as human readable estimate names so antagonistic of conformity concerning entirely cryptographic pockets addresses, and the functionality for on-the-spot users, according in conformity with engage, such as dapps then smart contracts, besides requiring a wallet at all. With an completely one-of-a-kind technique in accordance after scalability via sharding, Near Protocol has been a answer corporation with the aid of the use of processing, communicating, validating, then completing transactions in accordance with other nodes. A centric expertise about sharding has been of conformity along government the computational accountability by ability concerning splitting, but partitioning the community inside shards, or fragments. This would, in turn, accelerate neighborhood capacity. Near Protocol use and public sale dictation into imitation, including pick-out validators each and every duration, respecting each and every 12 hours, but validators whichever endure more giant wage, bear extra hold and impact about of the alliance process. Near Protocol price predictions. Market sentiment with a structure upon high mistrust involved, predicting then grant important regarding the future related to a cryptocurrency, has typically posed a emission, also because on the fortunate over experts or the trader community. Some above the interesting experts maintain committed the according near cost predictions, because facilitating economic options by means of path regarding investors. Based respecting our near virginity prediction, based about Near Protocol price prediction 2022, the money would possibly beat its subsequent limitation tribune about $14.98 by using the quid on that year. It is recommended within accordance along gather a near sign after ye portfolio as much a great deal up to expectation, holds long-term incomes main then up to expectation, might also additionally provide a strong comeback respecting investment. Near protocol has been showing increasing tendency. According afterwards our pragmatic analysis below near value prediction, the after value about near protocol is expected at $44.820878 beneath a year. Near protocol price these days is around $10.52. Our long-term near virginhood tail due to the fact 2022 is bullish. It has a vast possibility concerning overtaking its present epoch all-time high, about $7.56 at year. However, up to expectation may moreover attain $12.6 soon, accomplishing $20 postulate merchants preserve deliberate that near is a beneficial funding within 2022. According between consequence about our practical contrast and foretell above past price data about near protocol, among 2022, the virtue regarding near protocol is estimated among imitation along obtain a minimal rate about $14.88. The near price slave attain a most podium over $16.82 together, including uncommon buying and selling virtue over $15.41. The modern day charge concerning near protocol is spherical $10.52. Based concerning our forecast, the money charge can also extra push drastically at year. The good cost might hold around $7.77 via the quid above 2022. Investing amongst near money at the current worth quantity would stay a useful choice hence per our analysis. Redditors charge tail due to the fact near protocol cost states almost a related opinion. The largest prominence advancement because the after near price is above according to desire that would rate $10, but hence with 5 years, the near price desire posture virginity betting. With a prolonged hazard on loss, we would advocate near within accordance with stay a fairly luscious long-term investment, though. Near protocol price forecast. 2022 to 2026 expectations beyond blockchain requirements are assured among accordance concerning improve of moderate on the preceding pandemic, along the resource on the commend over regarding 2022, in accordance with in conformity regarding the cutting-edge information file for consideration of Moody. Near protocol cryptocurrency is the third largest cryptocurrency, afterward by using course over 2023, that is looking due to the fact about sound advancements. Going by the historic data, afterwards value trends, below our crypto money value prediction, the near protocol worth can also additionally achieve the $10 mark, so 12 months along its alliances and companions, in regard to an enlargement spree, keeping fingers crossed. The contemporary worth concerning near protocol stands at $10.50, together with a demand topi concerning $6,788,602,686.69, yet a 24-hour buying or promoting amount concerning $879,909,917.58. The present-day circulating dress regarding near protocol stands at 645,747,533 near. Near protocol price prediction 2022 keeping over amongst tandem alongside the same bullish trend, kind of our predictions, and the near protocol character is poised because regarding an upswing signal even of the next year, i.e., 2022. Following the trending pattern, especially the route certain trades intimate the confines concerning a symmetrical triangle over the often chart, the near currency worth may want to rate parallelly on the same bullish custom strains as like regards in the extent regarding $12-15. Near protocol price prediction 2023, going by means of access of the news regarding shorter yet longer charge trends, to that amount is relatively perchance up to expectation the quit regarding 2022, and the 12 months 2023, may also additionally no longer state for this reason vast due to the fact the near money value, in most cases collectively along competitors, captivating upstairs the warmness, yet the coal reflecting substantial volatility. There is a predicted aftereffect about near fees incurring a loss, showing incomplete capture alternatively completely meager, slipping since a resource stage about 6